Hello students, hope you are safe at your homes. I would like to discuss an important fact in English grammar. Do you know what it is? Yeah, I am going to tell you something about the units of a sentence. We need to know the three basic units of a sentence. The three essential units that required for a sentence are subject, verb, and an object. It is called SVO structure, which means in a sentence the subject comes first, the verb second, and the object third. Let's see what is a subject. A subject is a part of a sentence that contains the person or thing performing the action or verb part. For example, Appu walked to the shop. Here Appu is the subject. Do you know why? Here in this sentence, Appu performed the action walked. Who walked? Appu walked. So, Appu is the subject. A subject may singular or plural. I know you already have an idea about singular and plural. Basically, subjects are nouns. Noun means name of a person, place, thing, or an idea. So, singular subject means it will be one person, one thing, one place, or one idea. Apple, Ram, Calicut, etc. are the examples for a singular subject. Let us see what is a plural subject. In plural subjects, we can find more than one person, thing, place, etc. 3 apples, Ram and Gopal, Calicut and Kochi, etc. are the examples. Now, we can go to the second unit of a sentence. That is verb. Verb is the action or state performed by the subject. Consider the same example. Appu walked to the shop. Here, what is Appu's action? He walked. So, the verb of this sentence is walked. Now, we are moving on to the third unit. That is object. An object in a sentence is the receiver of an action, that is, who or what experienced the action done by the subject. Let me check an example. Sita washed the car. We know that Sita is the subject. Washed is the verb. Sita washed what? Yes, the car. So, the car experienced the action wash. That means car is the object of that sentence. Okay students, you have to check more sentences and try to identify the subject, verb and object. I'll be right back to describe more about verbs. Till then, take care. Thank you.